implant dentistry has made a tremendous progress in that field. Because when you review the development, then of course we started all with P.I. Bronnemark and Andre Schroeder in the late 60s and early 70s. And then conventional loading was between 3 and 6 months. That was just how I started. I started with 3 and 4 months in Bern in the beginning of the 1980s. And then with the progress with surface technology, there was an ITI conference, a consensus conference in 2003. And then there we were talking about the early loading at 6 to 8 weeks and conventional loading after 3 months. That was in the early 2000s. And then there was another ITI consensus conference in 2008. And with the progress provided by even better implant surfaces, then early loading was expanded to 2 to 8 weeks. And conventional loading from then on was defined as 2 months or longer. You see a huge progress has been made, but with the reduction of the healing periods.